We are now live. Come here. I know everyone's thinking that again she's doing it without telling us that she's coming live. But there is the fun in telling you and all, yeah. It's just like if you're there and if it's serendipity, then we end up meeting each other. How are you? Renee, I love the way you start reading everybody's comments like immediately. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, look at this amount of hearts. It's beautiful, yeah. How are you people doing? Good? Don't miss our filter of stars, and we're like brimming with shine and glitter. How are we doing? Oh, hi. Hello to Nepal, everyone there. We were just about to call it a night. We've had a home and lovely weekend, and now we're going to be calling it a night and starting Monday tomorrow. So we wanted to just say hi and wish you a very, very happy week ahead. And Renee is very busy checking herself out.
No, I'm
and
reading.
The rest of us are just like wondering what to do and all. But anyway, hey, oh, you guys are beautiful too. I love you, yeah. Just wanted to come and say hi, really. It's been a long day. And you want me to come back? Yes, Rajasthan is home now. I am, Arya is, and I am both in love with Rajasthan. We look forward to coming there soonest.
Someone's there from Netherlands.
Hi, good morning. Netherlands will be morning, no? It's Europe. Yeah, day, right? Not really.
No.
Actually, I'm not supposed to know everything about it. Yeah.
No, it's okay. Oh, thank you.
Renee, you look like a princess.
princess.
I agree. She always looks like a princess.
When is
So
Arya
deep.
season 2 out?
Baby, Arya season 2 is going to be out
My favorite question.
the minute we all get out of this lockdown. There's very little left to be shot. We were hoping to actually finish it. But then here we are, and we've actually made the most of this time with family and just being with my babies. God knows through Arya I was not home only, so it's been nice. Now it's like going back to school. You know, the kids haven't been to school in a long time, so they've been doing their online classes, and now when it'll be time to wake up in the morning and get back in the uniform and go to school, I'm going to have a serious amount of fun watching them do it again.
Greetings from UK.
Hi, I hope
Hello
everything's
from
okay.
Jaipur.
Wow, Jaipur, hello, hi. Wow, look at that.
Would you please say hi, Dhrutish?
Dhrutish, hi Dhrutish. Oh, I love you too, sweetheart. There's something about when you guys call me beautiful, I feel beautiful. Really, I do. It's something about it, huh? Magic. This is this beautiful song by Shania Twain that I love. It's called You Have a Way With Me. You got away with me. You got away with me. You've got away with me. Sing it.
No, I don't know the lyrics.
Renee just got conscious because we asked her to
No,
sing
I don't know
live.
the lyrics.
So anyway, she sings very beautifully. When she's not Khawing Bhao, she sings really
Mama,
beautifully.
I don't know the lyrics.
I'm gonna oil in my hair again. Hi from Haridwar. Hi. You are amazing too, Arjit. Big fan. Big
I
fan.
love your smile. Thank you.
Get in frame and smile, please,
Thank
because
you.
someone loves your smile. Huh? Hi. Yeah, I see a lot of requests here to come live with me, darling, but थोड़ी रात हो गई अभी जान. It's a little late. Love from Stockholm. Hi. Wow. Renee, curious to read all messages here. सब दिख रहा है. I'm telling you, they can see you're curious about reading messages.
But it's
So, anything that you should tell me about? Do you like our glitterati filter? I just love this. I have missed out on all this fun. Like the next time you might see me with that monster filter that is also there is really cool.
Alien.
Oh, sorry.
Alien.
So, an alien filter. This generation is just so technical. I don't understand why. I mean, it is what it is. It is like all right.
think
So
so.
politically correct we have to be and all. And yeah, I'm not going to be
Someone's
politically
childhood
correct.
Crush. I think there's someone's childhood crush.
Really?
Just said.
By the way, that just basically means I'm really old, huh? Just saying. Just saying. Make a note of it. Aw, thank you so much. Yes, they are beautiful, both of them.
Why are we are not serious?
Who said we are serious?
Someone said that why are we serious?
Oh,
They're not
are you serious?
No.
No, this is their standard expression 101 actually. They're just like,
No, I keep laughing. No. I keep laughing.
they just won't laugh right now because, they are so conscious of looking at ourselves in the mirror.
Mama,
And in
I'm
the
not
camera,
looking.
sorry.
No, I'm smiling. See?
They're so cute. Someone saying filter is very nice. Thank you. We think so too. It's a very stars and well, it has been picked by this technically very superb.
No. Mom's
Please take my
amazing.
name. Oh, love from Pakistan. Hello, everybody.
Mom finds these cool apps that do editing, and then she does such amazing.
It's not about
editing on
looking
it.
young, Meri Jaan. It is just about the fact that they actually mother me. So with them, I feel like a baby.
Mom is a baby. Mom is a baby.
Yeah, she's so cute.
No, mom's a baby. Look at this face.
She all of you see.
Badmash.
Mom is so
Oh,
funny.
look at those hearts. Oh, give me their names. No, but they're going very fast.
That's why I was reading.
You're wearing glasses. I'm not wearing glasses.
Wait,
Die.
wait. Please say my name.
Lalit.
Lalit.
Ajay, Lalit.
Ma'am, please shout out my name.
She's not reading that again.
See, this is the cutest.
You're
You're
getting younger.
day by. Yeah, na?
No.
She's so cute and she's also super.
आज
fun.
आपने क्या खाया डिनर में?
Oh, बताइए.
Today we had very sattvic food.
Mama,
We had, we always have
No,
sattvic
but
food.
tasty
Well,
food.
sometimes,
Tasty food.
Yeah,
Tasty
but
food.
we like to eat vegetarian at home, and sometimes we eat non-veg. So we don't have any hard and fast rule that ये कर सकते हैं, ये नहीं कर सकते हैं.
One
Everything
song.
that God has created, we indulge in.
One song from Rene, please.
Renichal, that's 2 lines.
Okay.
Any 2.
Oh, one step
That'd be
forward
nice.
and 2 steps back. I'm the love of your life. until I am.
Why is
Can
that?
she choose her own song
And
if you
she's
don't
been
mind?
obsessed with that
No.
song.
No.
Child is just better.
No, that's mean. That's mean. No.
Okay, and we'll sing.
I'm thinking.
We have only this much life
know,
to
I
do.
know.
No, you can't
One
have so
second.
many powers.
No.
I think like for 1 hour.
Okay, I'll sing 2 lines.
Do you
Yeah.
acknowledge?
It's always 1 step forward and 3 steps back. I'm the love of your life until I make you mad. It's always 1 step forward and 3 steps back. I'm the love of your life until I make you mad.
Woo! That was so good! My takeaway from the song is I'm the love of your life until you make me mad.
Until I make you mad.
Oh, until I make you mad. But I never make anybody mad. I'm so never making anybody
Mom
mad.
loves sushi. That's her favorite cuisine.
Yeah.
They're asking favorite cuisine. Yeah, I love sushi, Japanese sushi.
And food made by me.
And food, of course. She cooks amazing. And I love my mom's chili chicken. And I love Alisa's
Alisa's art and craft.
smiley. No, the smiley she makes.
Huh?
But she also makes. But
Mom, she puts.
She
makes
makes
a
us
smiley
embarrassing in front of everybody.
she
We are
makes
fighting. So
us-
this is anyway what
No,
happens
no,
throughout
no,
the day.
no,
I
no.
do it. No, she does it.
Not
Like
to
this.
give
It goes
this
on.
credit, I hardly even do.
So you'd be very happy to know this
we
is.
like love fight. Don't we?
Yeah. No, this is our fight. So we fight.
My son is a singer. He wants to sing a song. Aww, chala gaya message upar chala gaya. Okay, sweetheart, you know who you are, and I would be delighted if you can get your son to sing a song and DM it to me so I can share it. Oh, while you're at it, Alisa gave me a terrific idea today, and I wanted to share it with you. which was that, I like sharing thought for the day in a story, right? Because I just think that there's like so much of introspection and people thinking and feeling things right now all around the world. It is a great time to go within and to then go without. So here's the thing. It would be wonderful if you can start sending me your thought for the day. No copying it from somewhere or borrowing the lines from somewhere, but it has to be your original feeling or thought. It has to be simple enough for people to understand, and then allow me to share that as the thought for the day moving forward, so that we can actually that's what social media is for. Love is to be social, is to be able to share each other's ideas and thoughts and feelings, and then share it with the world.
In a positive way.
Yes. Well, if you don't share it positive, why share it at all? Hannah?
Can
Hannah?
I say something?
Yeah.
2 people wanted to shout out. Someone known as Pihu and someone
Hi.
Neha.
Hi, Pihu. Ma'am, your best friend? My best friend is Neelam. And she is also my soul sister, and she lives in the US, and she's the mom of the most beautiful little girl called Alia,
Our third sibling.
our third sibling,
Who is-
and who is going to be turning 18 years old on the 8th of June.
Alia, if you're watching this,
Alu?
stop soon.
This is our god baby, and she's becoming a big girl. So that is my best friend and someone who's my rock. Neelam, shout out. Not that she's ever going to see this, but
No,
still.
I'll ask Alia too.
I'm waiting for Arya too, Mary Jan. Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Gaikwad. I'm going to be a bua. I'm very, very excited about that.
What does Tuga Tuga mean?
I will tell you in a moment. I will speak. So then, yes, I'm going to be a bua, and there is Charu and Rajiv, my brother, and my beautiful sister-in-law. They have just made our year, actually, other than making our life, because this was a news that we had been waiting for quite anxiously. My parents have been grandparents before, but they were also waiting for Raja to have a baby, and there they are. Maybe the baby's gonna come 19th of November around my birthday, so I'm super thrilled because they have to expect a Scorpio baby, and we all know Scorpios are just amazing people.
I'm so excited. I'm going to be
They're a handful, but they're amazing people.
I'm going to be an elder sibling for the third or fourth time.
Okay, I'm shout out to Rishika on Alisa's special request. Anything else?
I'm just reading.
Oh, Dilbar. I really miss dancing, guys. Gotta get back to it. It's been a while.
Oh,
But I've been working out. I hope you have been too. It's been keeping me in this good energy flow. I cannot explain it to you guys. It's very important when you feel strong and committed inside for your outside to reflect it. So it's been nice. I hope that's been happening. Please do keep sharing stuff. I love it when you do that. Can you not gossip in the middle of a live?
No, I'm just telling
okay, all right then. I love you guys very, very much. And thank you so much for joining me tonight. Sweetest of dreams. Stay well. Have an exciting, productive, and a happy Monday. And stay in touch. And the one thing you always got to know, you are loved. Very, 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 very loved. Yeah?
By all of us. Always.
By all of us.